Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is go over the 2024 roadmap for cornucopias. So if you guys haven't already, check out the meld video. So I did the exact same thing. I went over the 2023/2024 roadmap. That one I was quite abashed by. I was impressed by the level of detail, the way it looks. So guys, check that out. It's right on the channel. And especially in that one, I was surprised by how many things that could be integrated on a layer one like Meld. Because it's a layer one banking protocol, lending and borrowing, it's really cool. So I get into all my thoughts and opinions on that. So before we get started, also, please like this like button, like it, smash it, and also subscribe. If you guys want to check out more videos, if you want to keep up to date with everything that we're putting out, definitely do that. And also comment down below, okay? So before we get started as well, I do want to invite you all to go to the link tree. I will have it pinned in the comments below. It will also be in the description because we are selling ADA plates. These are NFTs. Artist Kevin Gardine did an awesome job. We've got, how many days left? We got a few days left. We have a lot left. But if you guys are interested in a cool plate, this is what they look like. They will give you a white list for future, APF NFT drops. So the aliens haven't come out yet. There's games and other partnerships in the future. So it's something to pick up for cheap that you can also enjoy. So collect, trade, display. And if you do mint the ADA gold plate, you get what is inside the ADA plate wallet. So let me pull that up. Let me share that with you because this is really cool. So whoever pulls that plate, this is what you get. So I think it's called ADA plates. That's the handle. So this wallet right here, it is $ADA plates. You guys can check it out. You get a Diamond Hands NFT. You get a Bubble Jet. You get a piece of land. We're going to airdrop this to whoever mints that first. So there's only one of them. There's 10 gold plates, but that is the rare one. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do to kick things off. So let's focus on Copi in the roadmap, okay? So whatever questions you have, comment down below. I'm going to take my time with the roadmap, similar to what I did with Meld, maybe even a little more time, right? Give it a little moose massage, right? We're going to masseuse this, right? Miss Moose. Okay. So the price of Copi, this is what we got to take a look at. And it's important to know, right now we are Tuesday, January 30th. Tuesday, January 30th, 2024. This is a monster year for cornucopias. So for those of you that don't know, Copi is an MMO RPG game built in Unreal Engine 5. So right now, man, by the way, I'm going to give a shout out to my parents. I told my parents, you guys got to get some Copi. They did. They got some Copi at like a penny. I converted some ADA. They bought ADA. I converted. And then I'm like, dude, I think this is going to be the bottom. 6 cents, 7 cents. They dropped more into Copi. So, Copi, you're the reason my parents started talking to me again. Right? So, if miracles can happen, it's with the power of Copi. All right, so on the year, we're up almost 300%. On the month, we're down 17%. I think we've bottomed. Not financial advice, right? This is just Moose's opinion. Based on market cap, where we're at, sentiment, we're 73, 74, 4 or 5 days away from the Bitcoin halving. This is a spot where I think the token's going to reside, okay? This will be the low point. Could go lower, but this is a great entry point in my opinion, okay? So what we're going to do now is focus our attention on cornucopias.io. So again, you want to go to cornucopias.io. That's where you can view your player count. That's where you're going to see all this. So this is the world of Copi. It looks even better in person on your own computer, but it's cornucopias.io. All you're going to do is go to roadmap. So go to about game, right? Or as Canadians say, about. Go to about the game, right? So check out about the game, discover the world. If you want to make fun of Canadians, like I am, go to discover the world of cornucopias in its real world economy. Okay, so click that. That will take you to this page that we're on. Okay, So here you can view all this. So again, go to About Game. That's where you can learn about the game. The roadmap. Hover over to roadmap. This is what we're going to pay attention to. So 2023 completed. So in order to fully understand 2024, we have to look a bit of the history, right? So whatever's going on in the world today, a lot of times it's a reflection of what has previously happened, right? The thoughts, the feelings, right? Like civilization is the management of human emotion. Same thing with, you look at investments, right? Like that's why it's so difficult. You have to try to set up systems, and that's part of the channel. But ultimately, my point here is when you think about cornucopias or anything in general, when you're investing, when you get a win in crypto a year from now, whether it be, you wake up in summer, maybe it's September 2024, people are going to be like, oh, you got lucky. No, 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 no. It's about the decisions you made today. They will be reflected to you in the future. So 2023, here's kind of what happened. Big year for Copi. Main website update launch. That's the website we are just looking at. It's cornucopias.io. Beautiful. User profile launch. Perfect. And they hit all these different things. Public event, Cardano Foundation. Public event, consensus. They went to these events. Free NFT, Bubble Jet Bonanza. That's for the OG role holder. I'm not even an OG holder yet, or OG role holder yet. I will be. Copi Wiki update. Vehicle lore, NFT sale, the Valley Raceworks. So if we go to here and we type in Copi on JPEG Store, look at all these beautiful assets. So this was the T3. I minted one on mint date. So you can pick one up even cheaper now on the aftermarket. So it's fine if you were late on that. NFT sale, that's what we just went over. The Dome launch, game launcher, all this stuff. Stake and earn. So we'll get into that in another video. I'm going to be doing a how to stake your Copi, how to delegate, basically how to earn some rewards with the Copi you already own. So in my opinion, it's not the best yet, but I want to bring some of this to your attention, right? I want to get you to think about things from a different viewpoint, whatever you want to call it. So right now here you got the public testing. People are already racing, doing the pre-alpha release. And if you click on some of these, I think you get links, right? Here, like Copi token listed on Uniswap, boom. You get more info on that. So you get the right asset ID number, very important. So this is going to be your guide for that. So anyways, you guys can check this out yourself. The goal is to go over 2024 this year, but just taking a look at 2023, this shows you that the team, they're serious about what they're doing. They've been doing a good job. Shout out to the Copi team. This shows that not only are they coming up with these good ideas, but they're following through with what they've promised. They are delivering. Okay, so check that out on your own time. 2024, let's start at the top. So PC game pre-alpha releases January to December. Okay, so public testing, so that's going on. NFT sale, flying vehicle cross-chain. So what they mean by this, I believe, is the first Ethereum NFT sale is going to happen. I think it's the Valkyrie. That's what's going to happen. So the idea of cornucopias is that it's not chain agnostic. It is a multi-chain game. So you will be able to do your racing and own assets on, Ethereum's blockchain, on Binance's blockchain, on several different blockchains, I assume, in the future. But it just started out in Cardano. So that's something to think about when it comes to this. PC game pre-alpha release. Character creation. Really cool. You got the Solus 1 public testing. That's coming out soon. Copi Wiki updates. And again, I'm just reading off of this. I don't know 100% if, if everything that I'm saying is 100% accurate. So do your own research. I'm just going off of this list. I do know a lot about what has happened with the game. I've been following it. But again, I'm just bringing you info swiftly through the power of video creation. NFT sale, flying vehicle lighting kit. Really cool. Stake and earn update. This is really cool. So if we take a look at this, this is what I like. So again, the idea of cornucopias, the idea of NFTs as a whole, is you can own a unique asset ID number, a non-fungible asset. So you think about a fungible asset like Cardano or Bitcoin. If I send you one Cardano, it's the same as somebody else having a Cardano in their wallet. Whereas you can own a rare NFT land token, and somebody else can have a similar one, but theirs could be different. Maybe it's not rare. You have a mythic, they don't. So it's a way to distinguish specific asset ID numbers, to distinguish specific tokens. So that's what an NFT is. Fungible assets is like oil, gas, right? You buy something at the corner store, you buy a Pepsi, I use $5, cool. Somebody else uses their $5. You don't really want the value of each individual dollar to be different, right? Obviously, there's different currencies in different countries, but let's say we're buying a soda that's $2. I'm buying one in the US for $2. I have $2 US. I buy it. You do the same thing. Those are not indistinguishable from one another. So that's kind of what that means. So each theme zone, there are districts, blah, 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 blah. We've gone over that in previous videos. But basically, to become a resident of a district, you must first find a property within the district zone that has room to rent. This will be done in Property Web Portal. So what's cool and what's going to happen in the future, I assume even more so as we get through it, is you will be able to lend out your assets. So if you buy a bunch of bubble jets like me, I own 16 of them. Not trying to brag, but the moose got loose. The moose has been loose several times on Copi. You should be able to benefit from that. So that's what we're going to see potentially. It hasn't happened yet, but it's happening. Okay, so here are some of the big ones in my opinion. So this is cool. Host and earn Copi file nodes. This is massive. So there's been a huge Copi node sale. If we go to the main website, if we go to sale, Cardano's already ended. I'm not going to log in, but it does look good. If we go to, maybe this will take you to more info. Copi tokens. Anyways, you guys can check this out yourself, but basically you can mint Copi nodes. They haven't come out yet, but I've done specific videos on it. I'm not going to dive into it too much here, but if you type in node Copi on the channel, watch this video. How to mint Copi node if you want to know how to mint, and then also do a more in-depth video on the node sale. I think it's this one. I minted 7 nodes. I think it's this video. Check out these videos. There's a 40-minute video. It's this one. That one will take you through what the node is. Basically, you can own an NFT that will allow you to run a file node. It's a piece of the game. It helps the upload download speed of the game so players can play the game faster, and it's making it more decentralized. And you get rewarded for that. You get some Copi tokens for doing that. Hopefully there'll be a VPS happening, virtual private server. We'll find out in the future. Copi file nodes, public testing. So all this is happening soon. Esports, Racing League launch, NFT sale for outfits. That is going to be cool. Host and earn Copi game nodes. Host and earn Copi data nodes. PC game pre-alpha release, Solus 2, 3. All this is happening. This is going to be a monster year. Learn and earn website. Guild Hall and memberships launch. So really cool. Seasonal tenant key. Build and earn. Public alpha, beta, MVP. NFT creation tools. NFT sale. Vehicles, pets, outfits, mounts, tools, weapons. This one's a little unsure of, I think. Custom domes, new templates. So very ambitious. Custom domes, alpha, beta, MVP, YouTube, ongoing weekly episodes of Copi Cafe. So if you guys haven't checked it out, click on Copi Cafe and go to this YouTube show. So yeah, you guys know how to get here. So that's about it. Let me know, comment down below. What are you most excited about when it comes to Copi? For me, it's probably the file nodes and the staking of the NFT. So the Moose is a crypto and NFT investor. It even says right here, right? I'm a crypto and NFT investor. At heart, I'm a macro investor. I invest in sports cards, but I've been heavily into cryptocurrencies and NFTs. So that's kind of why I'm excited about this game. I think I'm going to be holding tokens for a long time. As soon as it hits $1, maybe I'll liquidate. We'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, let's close out this video right now. So guys, if you haven't already, again, click on ADA plates, pick up an ADA plate if you're interested. This will help support the channel and more. Pick up a loose moose, save up to 25% off a hardware wallet. The Trezor Model T, can't go wrong with that. The Safe 3 is a great option as well, or whatever it's called, right? The Tangent wallet's fantastic, thinner, fits in your pocket, great everyday carry. There's a limited edition white as well. So there's a lot to cover. I'm going to do a video on that in the future. LEPEL, official hardware wallet, great option. We also have online courses. Check out the free Cardano mini course. I built that because a lot of you ask, you tell me, hey, I'm confused. I don't know what this means. I don't know what that means. How do I start? How am I secure? Guys, watch this course. What is Cardano? Wallet setup, sending, receiving, staking, yield farming, and more. Guys, it's free. I literally take your email. That's it. But this one comes with the course workbook. You can also go on the YouTube channel. This is why I did it. Go here, type in mini course. Boom. The whole course is here. It's a 60-minute video. There's not even any anything in between the course. 60 minutes. Learn everything you need to know to get started with Cardano. I built that for all of you to help you out. So right now, Copi is on sale, in my opinion. 7.6. So I'm thinking under 7 cents. I don't think we'll even get there. So I'm thinking we bottom. So with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.